very mission. It is a big mission for our country as well, as we see Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla will be taking flight along with the rest of the 3 crew members of this very mission. In fact, speaking of Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla of the Indian Air Force is set for his tryst with history. But do you know why most astronauts are pilots? Yes, because he himself is also one who was commissioned in the IAF. Well, the tradition of selecting pilots as astronauts dates back to the very dawn of space age. Pilots, especially those from military backgrounds, bring a powerful combination of physical, technical and psychological capabilities. Here's a report to bring you more details.
Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla of the Indian Air Force will be the first astronaut holding an Indian passport to travel to the International Space Station as part of the Axiom 4 mission. He will be the second Indian to venture into space following Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, who flew aboard the Soviet Soyuz T-11 mission in 1984. Both fighter test pilots from the Indian Air Force. Even Indian origin Sunita Williams was once a US Navy pilot, and Kalpana Chawla, while not from a military background, was a trained civilian pilot. The tradition of selecting pilots as astronauts dates back to the very dawn of the space age. In fact, the first human to venture into space in 1961, cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin was a trained fighter pilot. Similarly, NASA's first astronaut, Alan Shepard, was also a pilot from a military background. Pilots, especially those from military backgrounds, bring a powerful combination of physical, technical and psychological capabilities that align perfectly with the realities of operating in space. To begin with, pilots are trained in systems thinking and real-time decision-making. Pilots are physically well prepared for the extreme forces of space travel. Fighter pilots regularly train to withstand accelerations of 5 to 9G, conditioning their bodies to stay conscious under intense pressure. Pilots are also trained in crew resource management (CRM). This includes communication, decision-making and teamwork under stress. Today, astronauts come from all kinds of backgrounds. About 40% of all astronauts who have ever been to space were from non-fighter pilot backgrounds, and that share is now increasing. Bureau Report, India Today.